Okay, so I washed my face, it's completely cleansed. Now, microdermabrasion is good for people that have ingrown hairs, that have enlarged pores, that just have like stubborn skin. I feel like microdermabrasion is a great way to just clear up any acne scars or anything like that. That's what I've heard. I don't know if it's gonna actually do it. I hope so, because I have my problem area are my pores on my nose and right here. Exactly right. This is like my entire problem area of my entire skin. And then I do have a lot of ingrown hairs too here because I shaped my beard. And so I pick those, I like with tweezers, believe it or not. I pick out like, I shape my beard with tweezers, and it might sound like painful, but I don't feel pain anymore. But if you want like a full beard care or how I keep my beard video, I'll do it. But because of that, I have ingrown hair. So I freshly cleansed my skin with my cleanser. I dried it. This is very important because you don't want any oils on there, and I'm really nervous to get started. But I'm gonna get started. So I put the white training disc, and I'll probably do it with the training disc and then just wait a day or two. It's still doing the job, it's just not as intense. So just to practice, I'm gonna go like this, I feel like. Everywhere. Okay, so it's plugged in right now. Wow, that like really does. You're supposed to like peel your skin back. You're supposed to pull the skin back and kind of just like, this is a really strong device, so it's literally pulling my skin, and my skin feels like it's not burning, but it's like tingling a lot. It's like hot. Okay, so I finished with my treatment, and now I'm gonna put the, I don't know, am I supposed to wash my face after? Or clean cap, immediately wash and dry. Oh, immediately wash and dry. So after you do the treatment, wash your face again. Okay, so I washed my face. I'm going to then use the face mask that it comes with over it. So you're supposed to put this on. I'm just like a little bit concerned. This thing is oily. I don't know if I should use this. Olive fruit oil. Yeah, I don't know if I should use this or not. The fruit oil, I don't know. Let's just use it. What the hell. So remove front and back protective sheet. I just won't use it for as long. Is this the mask, or I'm guessing this is the mask. Okay, here goes. Oh, that's cold. Oh. The problem also is like half my face is a beard, and so like, but anyways, I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to try this out and see what happens in the next video or vlog. If my skin is broken out or like dead, then it'll be because of this. But I hope you guys like this video. I'm gonna go and chill out with my mask. How many people saw the movie The Mask? I mean, everyone should have seen it with Jim Carrey, but I look like a blue version of it. But until next time, peace.